Hello, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Saturday and I'm here in downtown. You can see, so it's very busy right now because it's raining. You can see the rides are pretty good right now on 5 kilometer, almost $10 ride. So I did already 2-3 rides. It was pretty busy. I'm not gonna pick this. You see, it's so dark. 40-minute trip, $19. No man, I'm not interested in this. I want to stay in downtown right now because it's busy here. So right now I'm here on a Cumberland Street. I just dropped somebody and looking for another ride. $7 then does no. Might well get a good ride, man. I need one ride. The fuel is low. I have only 40-kilometer range right now. So I'm looking for a small ride. I can't park here. I have to move from here. Oh man, no, I don't want to go down right now on Blue Jays. And also I'm doing quest right now. I think I have completed 21 rides. I have to do 60. No, it's a stop. So I just dropped a ride and it was good. It gave me $15 as you can see, but it was a bit long ride and you can see $15. It took like almost 24 minutes, 9.15 kilometer. The ride before that was like 11-minute ride and it was from 2.41 kilometer. It gave me $13. And the before that it was not even a 1 kilometer. It was 900 meter. Gave me $11. How busy it was in Toronto at that time because it was raining. That was the thing. I got this from 8.6 kilometer, $14. And I started almost at it's right now 8:05. I started at 6 almost, yeah, almost 6, and I already made 79, almost $80, which is pretty good if I talk about HST including almost $95. Yeah, so far it's good, but now the rain stops as you can see, and now I'm not getting good rides. It's all same, and I've done almost 22 out of 60. If I'll do complete 60, then I'm gonna get 107 plus HST. Let's see whether I will be able to make it today or not. I'm sure I won't be able to make it today, but I have a time for tomorrow, even Sunday. So yeah, I have a time. Easily I can make, yeah, 60 rides I'm gonna do. Okay, let's find another ride till the moment. Before that I have to put a gas. I have 23 kilometer range left in my car, so there is a Petro Canada nearby, so let's go there first. Just drop a ride after filling the gas. That was of $5 and $14. The pickup is, you see, 2 kilometer. No, I don't want to go Scotiabank right now. It will be busy there, I know, man. Give me something else. It's not raining that heavily now. That's why now they're giving less rides as well. 11. It's going there up. What should I do, man? Should I go? I think I should go. Let's go. So I have just dropped another ride, and I'm getting rides. It's like 4.2 kilometer pickup. No man, because it started raining again. As you can see, it's raining man again. I don't think so. You guys can see because it's so dark right now. Because whenever it rains, the visibility gets so low, and it's very hard to drive. I was getting good ride, but the pickup is so far, man. I came to Scarborough side, so I have to go to downtown again. Let's see what's going on in downtown right now. Oh, go straight up $10. No man, 2.4. If it was going toward downtown, I would have picked this up. It's not that busy in downtown too. No mate. 5 kilometers? Are you crazy? But yeah, I want to do, but I don't want to do that bad ride too. What do you say, guys? It's 3 kilometer pickup and it's going only 800 meter, mate. 8 and 3, almost 11 minutes. Or should I wait for another ride? I think I should wait. Let's see. $15. No man, I need small rides. I'm doing quest. I've done 25. Oh, that's good. 3.6 kilometer. Let's wait, man. That's all I can do for now. Scotiabank Arena. I'm not going to Scotiabank Arena. $5.6 kilometer pickup. $2.56. I can't wait, man. Should I do? Let's try, man. I feel like it will get match. Because to matching. Come on, baby. That's a stupid thing about Uber, man. These triple dollar are the worst thing, you know. Yeah, it got match. MD. Okay, let's drive. So dropping this ride, picked it from hospital and I just drop it and going to pick another one. So the work is it's good so far. I made all 30 rides I have done. Going to pick a 31st. Let's go. So I'm done for the day and I'll show you how much I made today. So this is the total earning. You can see 383 and including HST 463, and see details. If I'll talk about today's earning, so I was online for 8 hours and 37 minutes, and in which I was active for 7 hours and 26 minutes. almost 7.5 you can say. I did 31 trip, which is pretty good, and I made total 260, and that's nice. I think if we talk about HST including, so it's like above 300, so which is pretty good in within 7.5 hour. And so because I'm doing quest, so I have to do how many more rides? 45. I'm done with 45 right now out of 60. If I'll do 15 more tomorrow, and I'm gonna get 107. But still, if I do more 20 after that, then I'm gonna get 73 more. Let's try. Let's go for 15 first, and after that I'll see if the work gonna be busy. Then we'll go for next 20. But my cancellation rate went up, so that's okay. It will come down. It's not a big deal. So now I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Hello once again, and it's Sunday today, and I just started the Uber. As you can see, I'm getting rides. The pickup is 3.4 kilometer. No, it's very far. So yesterday I have done almost 45 rides, and my target is 60. So let's see. It's 1.6 kilometer pickup. It's going a bit far. Should I go? It's good money though. 15 kilometer. No man, it's not that good. Yeah, I'm not gonna accept this. Leave it. And it's raining today, as you can see. It's raining, so hopefully it's gonna be busy. Sunday is not that busy, but because of rain, I believe it's gonna be busy. So stay with me, and I'm gonna show you whether I will be able to complete my quest or not. No. So dropping my first ride of the day. So going to pick my second ride. Let's go. So dropping this guy, and I already got another one. That's a good ride, like shorter distance, because I need a shorter trips to complete my quest. I think it's going 1 or 2 kilometer. Let's go and pick it up this guy. Let's go. So just dropped the guy here in downtown. You can see how's the weather's, and downtown looks so beautiful. The view is nice, and even the temperature is good too, 19 degrees Celsius. It's not raining that much now, just the showers. Right now I'm near the Lawrence Market. It's very famous market, that one. You can see the Lawrence Markets. Generally it's very busy. Today it's not busy because of rain, but still a lot of people are going. Let's go to pick another ride without wasting our time. And after that I'll complete my quest. So I just stop here to take a break, and I also need to pick some water for me. I don't have water in my car to drink, so I'll go to Freshco first and grab a 1 crate of water. and then I'll grab a coffee. After that I will restart 4 more ride to complete 60. So completing this ride, after completing this ride I'm done with 60 and I'm gonna get 107 extra. All request taken. It's good. I want to go to downtown right now because now it's not busy here in east side, so that's why I want to go to downtown. Yeah, see, drag time on 201. So let's see, now I have to do more 20 rides and then I will get $73. Let's see whether I will be able to make those or not. Just drop the ride. Picking up the next guy from Walmart. So just dropped the ride here at East York Town Center. It's a beautiful evening. You can see sunset from here, and I'm still 15 rides away and going to pick another ride. But you see the sunset. Oh, it's amazing. I'm going to pick my another ride. After completing this ride, I will be how many? 12 ride away to complete my quest. And you can see the evening. It's beautiful. It's the time is like 8:18 right now. So this guy has a stop and he went inside to this building. He's grabbing something, I don't know what. Yeah, I have to take him back. And you can check the weather. It's getting dark. It's evening right now. His last stop is like 5 minutes away from here. So yeah, after this, after completing this ride, I have to do 12 more. Let's see, the time is 8:26 right now, so my target is I want to finish it before 12 so I can go home early. Let's see whether I will be able to make it or not, but I have a time till 4 in the morning. Uber gave like Uber is saying you have to finish this before 4 of the morning, so but I think I should complete it before 12. Let's see. So the range of my car left 452 kilometer, which is enough. I don't need I think it will be good for the next 2 days. So I'm going to pick my 69th ride. You can see outside here I dropped my last ride. This ride is going to downtown. Right now I'm in the east side, like northeast, near, you can say, right now I'm in North York basically. So I want to go to downtown because in downtown I want to do short rides so I can done early. Let's go. So I just dropped a ride and now I'm left with 10 more. After completing 10 more I will get $73. The time is 9:09 right now. Let's see whether I will be able to make it or not. I'm very close to achieve my target. I'm left with 4 rides and I'm going to pick another ride. After this I will be left with 3 only and the time is 10:40. Let's see whether I will be able to done before 12 or not, but I feel like I won't be able to, but let's see. So I'm going to pick my last ride. After this I will be done and I'll get $73 extra. So that's my last rider I'm going to pick. So completing the last ride, 5-star, and from 19 I'm gonna turn 20 and I'm gonna get $73 extra. And after this my quest is done. $5 of this ride and oh wow, I think they gave that money, 415. Here's the weekly earning. Yeah, I got 73, you can see here. So let's check. Let me give you a whole review of my earning of this week. So I made $798, almost $800 if I include my HST, so it's like 922.58, which is pretty good. I did 85 rides in whole week because I did some work in Monday and Tuesday as well. So yeah, so in on weekend I did 80 rides, so 5 rides I have done in on Monday and Tuesday. So 922, which is pretty good and done for this week. I was online for 24 hour and 52 minutes, almost 25 hours. I was online whole this week. That's not a big number, yeah. And I was active for 20 hours and 43 minutes and I made 922, which is pretty good, man, which is good. Last quest I was not able to make it, but this quest I made it. I'm pretty happy and my target was to complete before 12, sorry. So the time is right now 11:46. That's it. And after this, but tomorrow is Monday, so next week gonna start, and I didn't got any quest for next week, so yeah, I'll do normal Uber. Let's see. And that's it. Thank you, and I'm gonna finish this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Till that moment, take care. Bye bye. See you. Bye.